Hello guys, welcome back to the journey. If you want to use NotebookLM for teachers, so if you are the one who work as a freelance tutor or teacher, you're gonna need NotebookLM for sure to create notes and summarize also your tasks from the taskbook. So go ahead to your NotebookLM first. Okay, so just click to create new notebook and you need to upload your taskbook or whatever file you can upload from here. You can also add website like YouTube channels or whatever you can do. And you can also put dry files and copy text as you like. So yeah, I'm gonna try to upload with some sort of my file. Okay, so if you want to use this ring to change as a your lesson plan, how can you change? So once everything is ready, after analyzing your sort by NotebookLM, you will be able to ask prompt. Like if you want to uh give a prompt like summarize all data to put in lesson or whatever prompt, you can just send to your AI and you will be give your answer. And you can also create flashcards as well based on your levels and based on your file. You will be able to create the flashcard, and you can also choose levels of difficulty as well. And you can also use sliders. And if you want to use for report or quiz, you can be able to use if you are a teacher creating quiz on Google. NotebookLM is really essential because you can just create based on the student level. If you want easy ones or hard one, you can choose. And also check like scenario application, common misconceptions, or specific theory. You can also insert like this and just create. So by doing that, you can get a lot, right? And also, not only the quiz and flashcard, you will be able to see your data table. So if you want to use the data table for your student, you will be able to do like this. So that's how to use NotebookLM for teacher girls. I hope this will help you a lot if you want to work through also your taskboard. If you want to transform into flashcards or quiz or NotebookLM, gonna help you for that. So that's your girl. Thank you so much and see you back.